Are you interested in designing and developing medical diagnostic and clinical instrumentation, equipment and procedures using the principles of engineering and biobehavioral science? Then you should consider a career in biomedical engineering. Hi, I'm Dr. Isha. Welcome to eMango. Come on, let's find out how you can become a biomedical engineer. A biomedical engineer works with a broad range of medical, technical and administrative staff and at times patients. If you want to be a biomedical engineer, then take up science stream with physics, chemistry, biology and maths after class 10th and pursue bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering after class 12th. You will need to sit for entrance exams in India like JEE Mains, VIT EEE, BIT SAT. For overseas, you will need to sit for exams like IELTS, TOEFL, SAT, GRE, PTE. Entrance exams are highly competitive, so yes, you need to prepare well. Some of the colleges or universities in India offering the course are IIT Kanpur, NIT Rourkela, Institute of Technology, VIT University, SRM Institute of Science and Technology. Course fee in India for such college is approximately 6,000 to 80,000 in government university, approximately 80,000 to 13 lakh in private colleges. Foreign universities like Harvard University, University College London, the University of Sydney and many more colleges provide good courses in this stream. Course fee across globe is around in US $16,000 to $80,000, in Canada $30,000 to 45,000 Canadian dollars. If you are realistic and investigative and possess skills such as active listening, critical thinking, reading comprehension and complex problem solving, then we strongly suggest you this career. Salary in India is approximately 3 lakh to 60 lakh depending on the amount of experience you gain. Salaries across globe in US around 39,000 to 10 lakh dollars, in UK 65,000 to 2 lakh pounds. Did you find the information useful? We can help you with much more. We at eMango understand that a career will be best fit for you only when it suits your aptitude, personality and interest. After a short assessment, we will create an end-to-end path design of the right career for you, help you in knowing about various entrance exams. We take you from form filling to the place you will apply for college. Make your career with eMango. Let's go.